But now what I need y'all to do is I need you to put your foot into it. Now that you've gotten into the car, I need you to understand that getting into the car is not enough. If you need to go to the grocery store, getting inside the car is a great first step. You got out of bed, you got in the car, you shut the door, and now you're sitting at the wheel. Now I need you to drive, and I need you to drive fast, not too fast, but I need you to drive fast enough that you're going to actually move forward. And so what does that mean? Well, look, if you're investing, if you're tiptoeing into stock market investing, that's gonna make a difference for you, but it's not gonna really make the kind of difference for you that I would like for it to make. I don't want you to tiptoe in investing. Why? Well, because when you budget your money, the most important line item in your budget should be this thing called you, this thing called your future, this thing called your family. And so what a lot of people do is they will spend, 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 and they'll pay bills, and then they'll try to invest whatever little money is left over, and that might be $50 out of 2 or 3 thousand bucks that they spent doing other stuff. Well, I don't really have any money to invest because I had to go to the mall and I had to get some shoes and a new iPhone. And so here's $50 to invest. So now that I can say I'm doing the right thing, that's okay.